movie.
I'm surprised somebody even saw it.
Patrick saw it. I was Patrick. They walked by. Patrick and Michael walked by and pointed it out. Oh no!
Don't.
No,
Should I
no,
grab
no.
it?
Uh-oh.
What, you
Should
don't
I
think you
grab
can
it?
swim?
Well, the fish will
The
eat
koi
it.
is waiting.
Should
Grab it. It needs water. They can't eat unless there's water.
So we'll take it inside and give it some water.
No. No. But they can take it
It's not nature. It's a.
Oh! Where is it? I don't know if I'm still filming it or
The
not.
koi is like, careful what you make. It's like in your leg.
Oh,
What do you?
You should get it.
Oh.
Take it home.
No.
I'm kind of serious about letting Laura.
Oh my
my
God.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, did you see that?
What happened?
the turtle
The
poked
big
it.
one like snapped at it.
The turtle's trying to eat it?
I don't know. It poked at it. It hit it with its head.
He's helping it stay afloat.
This makes me exceedingly nervous.
Look at it go.
Wowie, wowie. Wowie, wowie. This is the
It's
most
actually noticed another
exciting.
turtle that's
Oh,
like-
wowie, wowie, wowie.
It's the mom.
Wowie,
It's
zowie.
definitely the mom. It's so protective.
Turtles
my
don't
God.
take care of their young. It's a fact. Maybe weird pond
But
turtles.
maybe turtle pond turtles
Wow.
Maybe they've evolved culturally.
Oh, that fish is going for it.
do. Oh no.